WOLF stock analysis Tuesday and onwards, semi-buy is the question, and covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only person in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all, and I'm telling you this because I have all the proof documented, right? It's taken me 5 years and it's all on my YouTube channel. Wolfspeed, unironically 15% down. It's not like I was not bearish to begin with, right? Like even from November, that's like 6 months back, right? Is it 6?
Like is this forever?
Yeah, 6. Actually 5. Then in December. Yeah, from there it's just bearish. It was $10, right? And now we're 1. We've come down 10x, and all I'm here to tell you is that I'm generally still expecting it to kind of keep rushing. In all this freaking tsunami of freaking bearishness, I managed to get like one quick long, which was so on point. It was perfect. But other than that, just a bearish market. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.